The secret to manifesting your dreams fast. Neville Goddard's secret. You probably got dreams. More wealth, better health, more loving relationship, freedom. And maybe you're even a creator like I am. You want to create something. You're an entrepreneur. Whatever level you're at, it's the same mechanism. It's the same things that I'm sharing with you in this video that's going to help you to manifest your desires, manifest your dreams, and fast. Neville Goddard speaks about knowing that your desire is, you're already living your desire, knowing that. And I was thinking about my own journey, and I want to share a couple of examples with you to help you understand the power of the teachings of Neville Goddard, so you can manifest your dreams fast. So first of all, think about this. If you don't know what it is, if you don't know what you want, if you don't have any desires, well, then it's going to be a little difficult to achieve them. And what I've experienced in the last 13 years now, working with clients, doing seminars some years ago, was that when people got clarity on what they want, and here's the thing from Neville Goddard, when they have the knowing of it, when they know that this is my desire, that's one thing, but also that they know that this is going to happen, then it's kind of like the universe works really fast to help them achieve it. One story that comes to mind here for me right now is that some years ago I was doing a seminar, speaking actually, and this woman was walking by the walls in the room, looking down to the floor, and she was like she was really not participating. But she did sign up for a seminar, 3-day seminar with me, and I learned so much about this young lady. And I learned that why she was walking by the walls, why she was looking down the floor, was because of her perceiving of herself. She believed she was nothing. She was so nervous about people around her. She was so shy, and also she had a lot of pain in her body, in her stomach and in her back, that she had for so many years, and the doctors couldn't help her. And on the seminar, she also signed up for, I coached her and did more seminars with her. Amazing things happened for this woman, this young woman. She started to get clear on her desires. She knew that she wanted a better job. She knew that she wanted a loving relationship. And here's the thing. She knew this, but she also stepped into the reality by knowing that it is possible, by knowing that she deserves it, by knowing that it is already happening. And this is maybe 12 years ago or something. It just popped up when I spoke here. And what amazing thing happened to her was that as she got clear on this, her energy shifted right away. And then, because this is the second thing that I wanted to share with you in this video, then what happened also was that, because this is the blocks to your desires. It's all the doubts, it's all the fear, all the old patterns, all the old stuff, traumas, things like that. And I helped her, and the room helped her. She released a lot of all of these trapped emotions, because that was the pain in her stomach. It was trapped emotion. And the pain she had in her back was trapped emotions. That's blocks. So as she released those, her face changed, her energy changed. And before, she was this young woman who couldn't look at other people, who couldn't look up. She was so shy. But it changed in those 3 days. And then I coached her and helped her. So she changed. She had so much low energy that was holding her down from old stuff, and she was releasing it. That's the blocks. So when you release the blocks that's between where you are now and between your desires, what you will probably experience is amazing stuff. You could even call it magic, happening in a very, very short time. Because guess what? We started in a coaching program after the 3 days, and it didn't take long. It didn't take long. I don't recall, maybe it was 1 week or something, and her face was changed, and she was just, I'm just looking for the sun here, she was just looking at me and so excited that she has actually landed a much better job. She knew that this was going to happen. She felt it all the way through her cells, and she released the blocks that was hindering her from this, and the universe just kicked in. It was not like the job just showed up in an email or on a phone call. She had to do something, but it was no problem for her to do it because she felt so excited about it. She knew, like Neville Goddard says, she knew that this was her desire. And that energy, I still believe today, was the energy that helped her to get this job. And not long after the coaching program, which was like, I believe it was like 8 weeks or something, she actually got involved in a relationship. And a few years after, she wrote to me and wanted to thank me for the work we did together, and just letting me know that she was pregnant with a man that she really loved and felt good about. Just think about this. Just think about this for a moment. This was what I wanted to share with you. Now, really having that feeling like she had, that your desire, whatever it is, really having that feeling that you deserve that desire, that this desire is your reality, just waiting for you to remove the blocks between your desired reality, your dreams, and where you are right now. Just think about this. Just think about this for a moment. Feeling this all over in your body. And this is what Neville Goddard speaks about. Feeling it, knowing it like it's already happened. And then the second thing, learning from her was that she was releasing, removing, rewiring, whatever you want to call it, the blocks that was hindering her from living her desired dream life. Because those blocks, she had them for so many years. The pain in her stomach, her not feeling good enough, her not believing that she deserved anything at all. And she removed it. I helped her. I was her coach or mentor, a catalyst for this. She removed those. She transformed those beliefs, those energies, those trapped emotions. And it was kind of like the universe opened the doors and said, come here, young lady. Here is your dream. It's been waiting for you always. I was just waiting for you to release those blocks. Here you are. Enjoy it. And she certainly enjoyed it. So the message here is your desires, the thing that you really feel. I do believe that that's a reality waiting or calling for you. I've seen it so many times with people I've helped. It's just waiting for you. When you really feel something, spark of creativity or something else, it's kind of like this is waiting for you. And the second thing is removing the blocks. Now, Neville Goddard speaks about doubt, speaks about pursuing things, speaks about fear, and all of these things. From what I've seen in my own life and what I've seen with this woman and thousands of people that I've had through my seminars years back, the same thing. Doubt is like hitting the brake in the car. It's just stopping the energy of flow between you and your universe. That's doubt. Fear is the same thing. Fear is just a block between where you are now and where you want to go. And I call it the prison because many people stay in that prison for maybe all of their life. They have like a thing that there might be something better, but then there's this whisper inside saying, I don't deserve it, I'm not good enough, I can't do it. What if I try and it doesn't work out? Things like that. And that's the blocks, because this is keeping people back in the place where they started or where they are, and that's the prison. So imagine that you are in a prison, and imagine you got this wall around you. They are designed to keep you there. That's why the prison is there. And imagine that the doors are locked and all of this, and your way out of this is figuring out your thoughts. Where am I doubting? Where do I have fearful thoughts? Where don't I believe in the things? Where do I feel I have to struggle and excuse me, struggle and fight for things? All of these things. Where is it in you? Or maybe it's the feelings, or maybe it's the both of it. Feel it. So you got a desire of freedom on the other side of the walls. And when you think about, visualize freedom, you might feel nervous. She did. She didn't know it was that. She thought that there was something wrong with her. And by the way, the doctor gave her so much medication, and it had nothing to do with medication. It was only trapped emotions. And she released it. She transformed it. I helped her with it. That was the blocks. The doors opened to her desires. And it happened so fast. So your desires, and then to know what's going on inside, be very aware. Okay, what are my thoughts? If you think about your desires, what are the thoughts that's showing up inside of you? And if a thought shows up that I don't deserve it, well, the thing here is to rewire that. And that is actually, so first of all, become aware and then rewire it. And one way to do that, I'm not saying it's happening in once, because maybe being at a seminar or being with a coach and mentor who knows about this, but rewiring, like saying, if you say I'm not good enough, well, the rewind could be I am good enough. Or if the feeling is I'm so nervous of doing this, stay with that feeling and let it transform until that block is not there anymore, because it's going to be much easier to walk through the doors that the universe opened for you. But then also something happens, and maybe you can imagine this. You're in the prison, and you have this desire that there's freedom outside of the walls. But your condition is so much in the past from all of those years. I had it like this. From all of those years of lack, of desperation, of frustration, of not being good enough. So maybe even the universe opens the doors. And imagine this. Maybe it's you. You're sitting there and you're like, oh, freedom is on the other side. That is my dreams. My dreams are there. And what I only should do is walk through those doors. But you're sitting there and you're frozen, because it's so wired in your system that you don't deserve it. I know this because I've been there so many years. So, and that's why I've helped so many people with it, because I really felt and saw the changes from me going from a $1.5 million debt and going into financial freedom in just a few years. It didn't happen by itself. I had to walk through the doors. Sometimes I had to run through the doors. And this is my final thing here, doing this. One thing that I learned, and also that I learned with the people that I've helped with this, is that it's kind of like when you remove the blocks, the inner world that's hindering you from living your dreams, your desired life, you will be much more connected with your universe and your creativity and inspiration. But the thing is, one thing I learned is to act quick on that inspiration. So when the door opens, just like, don't sit there and wait and think, okay, how long is this door open? Is it the right thing for me to walk on the other side? This is the leap of faith. Just walk through it and then experience what's out there, because this is also rewiring yourself. There's a little wind coming in here. This is also rewiring yourself. So your system will begin to trust that you take action. And with that action, you're rewiring your brain. So I really, really hope this helped. I'm looking forward to share more and more stuff here. And this is exactly the thing that I'm sharing in my manifestation community. It's how to get clear on your desire. It's how to get clear on the things that's showing up, that's hindering you, the money blocks or the wealth blocks, the health blocks. And then either with your brain, with your mind, or in the emotions, transforming it so it's much easier for you to step into the reality, step through the doors that the universe opened for you. Just see them and step through them, and with much less effort than if you have the blocks inside. So I really hope this helps and inspires you. Now, the community is still new. I'm building it, and we are growing. Very, very nice. And it's free. So we got the trainings in there. It's a community, and also once a month right now, it's going to be more. But I'm doing a session where I help with people with releasing their transforming their inner system, their inner world, to mirror an outer world that they really, really want, their dreams, so they can come true very fast. Again, the community is free, so check it out and feel free to join us. The link is below this video, and lots of love.